What's up, guys? John from johnmcneil.com here, and in this video today I'm actually going to be showing you a strategy that I've been deploying in my affiliate marketing business for the past few months that's generated me $100+ per day online. And I want to show the strategy to you guys because it's super simple. It's something that everybody can do, and it can literally take you from $0 to $100 a day if you deploy the strategy and you do it super consistent. Now, if this is the very first time you come to my channel, my name is John McNeil. We teach you all about affiliate marketing and making money online, and we teach different strategies to help build your business online. So if this is the first time you're here, definitely subscribe to the channel and check the notifications so you don't miss any of my future videos, and definitely hit that like button too. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to go ahead and jump right into the video. I'm going to actually show you the strategy that I've been using so that you guys can go ahead and start utilizing it today to start generating this income for yourself. All right, guys, before we actually jump into the content of this video, I actually just wanted to show you guys a little bit of proof of affiliate commissions that I generated today. And so I'm here at my Thrivecart account, and I just wanted to log in live so just you can see that I'm generating this income with just one of my affiliate campaigns today. And you can see here it says today, and I generated $177.30. I'll go ahead and refresh to make sure you guys see that that's real and that's today that I've generated this income. So what I'm going to be showing you in this training is exactly what I'm doing on a day-to-day basis to generate these types of commissions with multiple different campaigns. And so make sure you guys pay attention, and we're going to jump right into it. All right, guys, so we're going to go ahead and jump right into this video, and I want to kind of just give you guys a quick depiction of what I've been doing, the strategy that I've been actually deploying in order to generate $100 per day. So what I do is everything actually is always going to start off with traffic, right? So because we've got to send traffic in order to get leads and get sales. So basically I take traffic, and then what I've been doing is, of course, I'm sending that traffic to a squeeze page. I'm just gonna put SP for squeeze page. And what I'm doing is I'm building my list right here, right? So this becomes my list, and these people here will eventually start getting emails, right? So this is just representing emails. So I'm building my list here. So again, the traffic comes in, they hit my squeeze page, they opt in. So now they're on my autoresponder campaign. They then are taken to one or two things. So either I'll have them go to a thank you page first. So this is my thank you page, and this usually will have some sort of video on it, and then there will be a buy button here, and this is usually an affiliate product. And then if those individuals go on to actually purchase it, then of course I make, money, right? But here's the thing, and this is not something new that you guys haven't seen, but what I really want to show you guys is what I've been doing here with the email marketing campaign. So as you guys know, once they opt in, they're on your autoresponder, they're going to start receiving daily emails from me. Now, with this strategy that I've been actually deploying, I've been doing something a little different. So you know that, of course, you're going to be getting the daily emails. And then, so what I have is I have something called the master affiliate link. So this is the master affiliate link. And basically, this is basically one link that I have that is embedded in basically all these emails. So as these emails are going out, they're all being pushed to this master affiliate link. Now, what I'm doing is, depending on the traffic source that I'm using here, because obviously I have different traffic sources, so a lot of times I'm using solo ad traffic sources, but I'm using different vendors or what have you. So depending on the traffic source and how my offers are converting, this all depends on what is actually shown to the lead that clicks on these particular emails. So what I have with this master affiliate link is multiple links that are embedded into this master affiliate link. And I'm going to show you guys how all this works. So I'm just trying to just give you a quick depiction and actually take you to the software that actually does this for me. But just imagine you have this master affiliate link, and within this link, you have multiple opportunities to basically set up different offers. So this could be offer 1, offer 2, offer 3, offer 4, right? So if you can imagine, the traffic is coming in here, right? It's hitting my squeeze page. They're seeing my thank you page. They're seeing an offer. Either they're going to buy or they're not. But regardless, they're going to get to my autoresponder campaign here. And in all of these emails, I have this master affiliate link that has these multiple different offers. And I can take out the offers whenever I want to. I can pause them. I can delete them. I can add to them. I can add 30 affiliate offers in here, and it's okay. They can basically just be rotated or not rotated. However I want to do it, I can have whatever offer shown that I want. So what I typically do is I have the traffic come in, they start receiving my emails here, and then depending on the type of traffic it is, I'm rotating usually 3 or 4 different offers at a time. So one lead may get this email and they may see this first offer. The next lead may click on this email and they may see this second offer, and so forth and so on. And as in real time, as I'm actually watching the stats of these leads clicking on links and the sales that I'm getting, the sales that I'm generating from these emails, I can basically alter the actual offer in real time. So say if I'm using X traffic source, and say I got this one good traffic solo vendor, and say the traffic is coming through, and say this traffic source is producing leads that's buying this offer, but none of them are buying this offer. So then I can just pause this. I can pause this offer and send more of that traffic to offer 2. So it's more like a real-time situation where whatever is in my rotator that's working at that particular time, that's converting at that particular time, that's the offer that I'm going to show more of the leads that are coming through. So initially, I may have 500, 1,000 leads coming through, and maybe I'm rotating 3, 4, 5 different offers. And then I'm monitoring that over the next couple emails or a couple days to see as the emails are going out, I'm seeing which one of these offers are producing me income. And then once I figure out, okay, this offer 3 is producing most of the income, well, then I may pause the other offers, or I may pause just maybe a couple of them, maybe 2 and 3 are both working. So maybe I keep all the traffic going to those 2 offers. But if number 3 is only working with this particular traffic source or the leads that's coming through at that point, I pause everything and I make sure that all that traffic goes to number 3, because that's what's making me money at that time. So it's a really cool way to actually drive traffic and really see in real time what's converting for you in terms of your actual offer, so that you can maximize the amount of money that you make as the traffic. And not only can you have your affiliate link in a rotator here, so your affiliate links can be in that master rotator, but you can also be rotating your squeeze pages. So I do that as well. So when you think about it, I'll just show you a little quick example. So I have traffic coming in, so that's T for traffic. I have my squeeze page here, but I actually have this squeeze page. This is on a rotator. So I may be rotating 3 different squeeze pages, and then from those squeeze pages, they would go to whatever the thank you page is, or they'll just go straight to the affiliate offer. And if they buy, I'll make a sale. But irregardless of whatever squeeze page they go to, I can still set up my master affiliate link, right? That has those multiple offers in there. And so whatever is working at that particular time, because you guys have to understand, all traffic is not going to buy every single offer. So it really just depends on what the leads are looking for. So these people that are looking at your offers, they're real people. So just because you love your offer doesn't mean that everyone's going to love it. So depending on what you are offering, may be dependent upon what they want to buy, because some people are going to be into email marketing, some people are going to be into Facebook, some people are going to be into Instagram, some people just want to learn how to build a website. So you rotate these different offers to see what they like, and then whatever is making the most money for you at the time, that's what you turn on or you turn off. You can pause, you can do this in real time. So it really optimizes your conversion. So I'm optimizing up here with my squeeze page. So my squeeze page that's generating me the most leads at that time with that particular traffic source, I'm going to pause the rest of the squeeze pages real time, and I'm going to send most of the traffic to the one that's converting the highest in terms of leads. Then when it comes to my email marketing campaign, I'm going to rotate the offer itself that is converting and making me the most money at that time. So the software that I actually use to do all of this is called ClickMagick. So this is actually an example here. You can see I'm in my ClickMagick now. You see master affiliate link. I have a ton of just different offers down here. It's like 2 pages worth of offers. And so you can see like this is something that I'm not just talking about. This is something that I do, and I can rotate and turn these offers on and off as I want to. So say like this one is active right now. And so if I wanted to pause it, all I would do is hit pause. And then now it's turned off. I want to turn it back on, I can turn it active. And it's really simple to basically create these rotators. You can just basically click on rotators here, and then do new rotator, and then you can call the rotator name. So you can call it John whatever, and then you put a little whatever here, and then you can have like a backup URL. So like say if all your links fail or something happens to your links, you can have a backup URL, and then you can go ahead and just create that link. And then actually you have to put it on rotator mode. So this is what you have to put as you want to do it in fulfillment. So you want to send like a certain amount of clicks to the first link first, or a certain amount of clicks to the second link. I just put it on sequential, and it basically just rotates the links out. It just rotates it. So if I have 5 links in there, it's going to rotate the link 1, then the next link is going to go to link 2, and so forth and so on. Then you just go ahead and create the rotator. And then from there, you just add your links in there, and it's super simple to do that. You just hit add links, and then it'll be active. So this is ClickMagick. I don't know if you guys, some of you guys may be familiar with it and some may not be, but I'll leave a link in the description for ClickMagick if you're interested in getting it. Super simple. They have tutorials on showing you how to do all of this stuff. So you can, just set up tracking links if you are doing solo ad campaigns. And of course, I use it for, the purpose of rotating offers, rotating squeeze pages as I'm running traffic. So that's ClickMagick. And again, if you guys want access to it, I'll leave it in the description. And if you want to see the offer that I actually generated that $177 at today, I'll have that link. It'll be the first link in the description. And that's the offer that you can definitely generate $100 to $200 per day with that particular offer. And it basically gives you a 2-step funnel that converts very well in terms of leads as well as sales. This is something I've been using for the past couple months to generate a lot of dinero. So check that out in the description below. Check out ClickMagick as well. This is John from JohnMcNeil.com. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.